Evergreen presents Candid English Conversation Practice for Class 2. Chapter 3. First day at school after vacation.
Hi Gopal, had a nice vacation?
Oh yes, and how was yours?
I had a very nice vacation in Dehradun.
But wasn't it hot there?
It was, but we went to Missouri for a week.
Ah, here come Ramesh and Leela. Hi you two.
Hello, Gopal and Sunil.
Where did you go for the holidays?
We spent our vacation in Bengaluru. Oh, that's the capital of Karnataka, isn't it?
Yes, it's a super place. What about you?
Sunil went to Dehradun and Missouri.
What about you, Gopal?
I was here in Delhi. My grandma was ill.
I am sorry to hear that. How's she now?
She's fine now. Here come Ravi and Sita.
Hello, everybody.
Here goes the bell. We shall meet at lunch.
Click Next to continue.